GRI yesterday, today and tomorrow. On behalf of our university's Faculty of Agriculture and Animal Sciences, the Rural Stay Project exhibition for final year students was held at the University Examination Hall. The Honorable Vice-Chancellor, Dr. N. Panchnatham, inaugurated the event. The Dean of the Faculty, Dr. Sundar Mari, along with the department professors and students, had made excellent arrangements for the exhibition. Our university's Training and Placement Cell, in collaboration with the Department of Computer Science and Applications, organized an academic industry bridge program for the students. Mr. Sundar Pandian participated in the event and delivered a speech. Under the Extension Activity Program, the undergraduate and postgraduate students of our university's Department of Biology visited the Zoological Park at Kurumbapatti, Salem, on 30th October 2025. The Honorable Faculty members Dr. Malai Kolundan, Dr. Manivannan, and research scholar Gnan Saundarya coordinated and guided the students during the visit. The Department of Tamil of our university, in collaboration with the University of Perdenia, Sri Lanka, organized a two-day international workshop on research methodology on October 28 and 29, 2025. Students and professors from the Department of Tamil, University of Perdenia, participated in the event. The workshop was organized under the coordination of Dr. P. Anand Kumar, head of the Department of Tamil. The Department of Biology of our university conducted the inauguration ceremony of the Student Forum. Dr. Muthuchilian, former Vice-Chancellor of Periyar University and our university's esteemed professor, graced the occasion as the chief guest and presented 3 patents to our university. The Honorable Vice-Chancellor released the department's newsletter and delivered an address. The event was well organized by the head of the department, Dr. P. U. Mahalingam, along with the students. On behalf of our university's Department of Home Science, the Dr. T. S. Sondhiram Memorial Lecture was held on 31st October 2025. Dr. Regi M. George, Managing Trustee of the Tribal Health Initiative, delivered the special address at the event. Our university's National Service Scheme, NSS, in collaboration with Mera Yuva Bharat Dindigal, organized the Unity March on 31st October 2025. The event was held under the leadership of the Honorable Vice-Chancellor, Dr. N. Panchnatham. Mr. Sachidanandam, Member of Parliament, Dindigal, and Ms. Rajeshwari Roy, Deputy Collector, Dindigal District, delivered special addresses. The event was attended by Dr. Sundar Mari, Registrar, in charge of the university, Dr. Keswa Rajrajan, Public Relations Officer, and Dr. David Jairaj Franklin, NSS Program Coordinator. On behalf of our university's Department of Education, an awareness program on Gandhian philosophy was organized for the students. In the event, Dr. Mani, head of the Department of Gandhian Thought and Peace Science, delivered a lecture on the life history of Mahatma Gandhi and his association with Gandhigram Rural University. Associate Professor Dr. Devki, Assistant Professors Dr. Bagdha Vachala Perumal and Dr. Ponusami, along with other faculty members and students, participated in the program. The event was well organized by Dr. Sridevi, head of the Department of Education. News Coordination Senior Professor O. Muthaya, Director of University Concept Center. Newsreader Satish Kumar, Department of Physics. Sound Mixer Venkatesh, Department of Lifelong Learning. English version of GRI News video created through AI-generated voice and translation by the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Data Science GRI. Do you want your department's activities to be included in this? Kindly contact our Center for Public Image Building. Upload the events on WhatsApp. Thank you.